Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Snapchat login issue on iPhone. Snapchat is the application most youth of this generation are into for communication and for having fun, but lately we have been receiving many reports regarding the login issue faced by iPhone users while trying to access the Snapchat app on their iPhones. Some of the login issues that iPhone users experience are could not connect or user not found, or it may be please check your connectivity and try again, etc., and does not letting users from logging into the Snapchat app. There are many different reasons for causing this type of issue with the Snapchat app on iPhone. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe me to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing, you should go for reset network settings. Some iPhone users have claimed that some network settings were causing this issue, and by resetting the network on their iPhones they were able to fix this problem. So try network setting reset on the iPhone. You may need to open the settings app on your iPhone, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Here you will see the option of reset network settings. Tap on it. To proceed, this might ask you to enter your iPhone's passcode. Upon entering the passcode successfully, you have to tap on reset network settings again from the context menu for confirming. This start to reset all the network settings available on the iPhone and you are done. And the next step is uninstalling Snapchat and reinstalling it again. Uninstalling Snapchat and then installing it back on the iPhone can eliminate all the possibility of errors or technical bugs within the application for causing such login errors on any iPhone. For uninstalling Snapchat, you just need to long press on the Snapchat app icon from the home screen first, then select the remove app option from the context menu that appears on the screen. Tap on the delete option. This will delete your app from the phone, and then you have to reinstall it again from the app store and you are done. And the next step is update the Snapchat app. An outdated application can sometimes behave weirdly, so updating the Snapchat app might resolve this issue. For this you just need to go to the app store, tap on it and then search for Snapchat. Check if there are any update available, then tap on update option. After it completes updating, check if the issue is resolved or not and you are done. And the next step is disable VPN connection. If the VPN connection is active on any device, it will restrict the user from accessing major web pages and allows them to access any certain website or services on any smart device. So the users has to ensure whether their iPhone is connected to the VPN connection. If so, they have to disable the VPN and try to access Snapchat on their iPhones. First of all, you have to open the settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to tap on the VPN option. Once the VPN page appears, if there is any VPN connection found, please disable it and you are done. And the next step is check your internet connection. Nowadays most applications are web based or smartphone which needs good internet connectivity for a smooth run. Snapchat is also one of them that needs the internet connection, so please ensure that you have a strong internet connection on your phone. For example, you can try accessing any videos on YouTube app to check the internet connectivity, or try browsing any web pages or Chrome or Safari on iPhone and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.